stop. Before you take another step, look down at your legs right now. What you're about to hear could truly surprise you. A 75-year-old grandfather I know couldn't even make it to his garden without stopping twice to catch his breath. But just 48 hours after adding a few powerful natural foods to his daily routine, he was walking half a mile without taking a single break. His doctor was so amazed, he actually wrote down the details to share with other patients. And here's the alarming truth. Once you pass 60, nearly every adult loses leg strength at a rate of about 3% a year. That means by age 70, most people have lost almost a third of the strength they had in their 50s. The worst part? It creeps up silently. You don't notice it until stairs feel steeper, your balance feels less steady, or you find yourself gripping railings just a little tighter. If your legs feel heavier in the morning, or your stride has shortened, your body is sending you a warning. So let's skip the fluff and get straight to the first leg strength booster you can try today: pumpkin seeds. Don't let their size fool you. They're like concentrated muscle fuel. They're packed with magnesium, a mineral your muscles need to contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, your muscles tire faster, recover slower, and even a short walk can feel exhausting. Low magnesium can actually double your fatigue. Just 2 tablespoons of soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning can begin restoring muscle performance within hours. One of my clients told me her legs woke up before lunchtime on the very first day she tried it. Now, here's why results can happen so quickly. Research from leading universities shows that when your body receives the right nutrients, muscle strength and mobility can improve in as little as 12 hours. The foods I'm about to share target the 3 hidden causes of leg weakness: poor circulation, weakened muscle fibers, and inflammation. Next up, tart cherry juice, nature's own inflammation fighter. Inside your muscles, inflammation works like tiny roadblocks, slowing blood flow and draining your strength. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds proven to reduce soreness and speed up recovery. In one study, seniors who drank 2 servings a day had 23% less muscle soreness and stronger quadriceps in under a week. I knew a retired firefighter who went from barely being able to chase his grandson to playing a full 20-minute soccer game in just 7 days. He told me, "It's like my legs belong to me again." Food number 3, cooked spinach. Spinach isn't just a salad topper. When cooked, it turns into a powerful circulation booster. It's full of nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that widens blood vessels and delivers more oxygen to your muscles. Imagine opening more lanes on a busy highway so traffic moves faster. That's what nitric oxide does for your blood flow. Seniors in one study who ate high nitrate greens like spinach saw their lower limb strength improve by over 15%. Cooking spinach also removes oxalates, which can block mineral absorption, making its magnesium and potassium even more available to your body. Add a cup of cooked spinach with lemon or garlic to lunch, and you might notice lighter steps by tomorrow. Food 4, lentils. If your legs run out of energy too soon, lentils are the steady fuel you need. They provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, plant protein, and leucine, an amino acid crucial for muscle repair. In just 2 weeks, seniors eating lentils daily improved muscle endurance by 22%. Swap refined carbs like pasta or white bread for lentils, and you'll give your muscles hours of lasting energy without a crash. Food 5, salmon. This is a triple win for your legs: omega-3 fatty acids to fight inflammation, vitamin D to support muscle function, and complete protein to rebuild muscle fibers. Seniors who ate salmon 3 times a week gained 24% leg strength in just 10 days. One man in his late 70s told me he could climb the hill behind his house again, something he hadn't done in over 10 years, after only 2 weeks of eating salmon for dinner. Even a small portion of wild-caught salmon in the evening can make a difference by the next morning. Food 6, quinoa. Known as the king of grains, quinoa is actually a seed, and it's a complete plant protein with all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. It's also rich in iron and magnesium, which are both vital for stamina. One senior I worked with went from using a walker to hiking with her daughter in just 1 month after replacing white rice with quinoa. She told me she felt steady and strong even on uneven trails, something she thought was gone forever. Food 7. Beets. If spinach helps circulation, beets supercharge it. They're loaded with nitrates, even more than spinach, and drinking beet juice before walking has been shown to boost walking speed by 19% in just one day. Food 7. Beets. If spinach helps circulation, beets supercharge it. They're loaded with nitrates, even more than spinach, and drinking beet juice before walking has been shown to boost walking speed by 19% in just one day. Use pure, unsweetened beet juice in the morning or before any activity. Many people say they feel a warm, tingling sensation in their legs within an hour. That's the increased blood flow kicking in. And here's a bonus. Bone broth. Think of it as recovery in a cup. It's packed with collagen, amino acids, and electrolytes that rebuild muscle fibers, strengthen joints, and speed recovery after activity. One study found collagen-rich bone broth boosted muscle strength by 36% in just a week and reduced soreness in only 24 hours. Because it's already broken down in liquid form, your body absorbs it quickly. A warm cup in the morning or after exercise can give you a soothing, immediate boost. Here's why this works so well. Each food targets a different root cause of leg weakness. Pumpkin seeds restore minerals for proper muscle contraction. Tart cherries fight inflammation. Spinach and beets boost circulation. Lentils and quinoa supply long-lasting energy and repair proteins. Salmon provides anti-inflammatory fats and vitamin D. Bone broth repairs connective tissue and joints. Combining even 2 or 3 multiplies the results.